Welcome to my channel Mallorca Under the Sun, and today I am in the northeast corner of Mallorca. I am in Alcudia. Now I'm making this guide to Alcudia to show you what a summer holiday could look like here in the resort. And I'm filming this right at the very end of October too, to give you an idea of what it is like out here if you were going to come out here right at the end of the season. Now Alcudia is just the perfect resort for a family holiday, not least because it has a 13-kilometre beach here of powdery white sand and turquoise blue seas, but because it is so geared to tourism out here. There are several hotels and there's some great shops and bars, and there's so many things to do. So come on, let's go and check it out. Now the biggest attraction in Alcudia is the amazing white sandy beach. The sand here is white, powdery and fine, and the sea is turquoise blue. And you can see right at the end of the resort too, the port of Alcudia, and this is where you can find a fantastic selection of restaurants and bars. Now Alcudia Beach is just one of the #1 places we come to, particularly in August when so many of the other beaches on the island are really full. Because of the length of the beach, you're always going to find room on the sand down here. So if you've got little ones out in the water, there are plenty of lifeguard towers down here, and they always have lifeguards in them all the way through the season, so from the beginning of May to the end of October. So just like many of the other resorts in Mallorca, you have these accessibility points where if you are coming here in a wheelchair or you have a pushchair, you can come down here and sit under the decking. There is also some dedicated sunbeds for you if you have problems actually trying to get to some of these sunbed rentals, as well as a boardwalk which goes down to the water's edge. So if you're looking to go on boat tours, there are plenty of choices up here in Alcudia. Tickets can be bought from this little desk here, and the lady has actually just walked off, but this is one of the big pickup points in the resort where you come and pick up the catamaran to go on your cruise. So it's not just boat trips that you can go on from Alcudia Beach. Of course there are pedalos and paddleboards, but if there is enough wind you can also try windsurfing and kite surfing, and also sailing. So if you're not an experienced windsurfer and you want to give it a go, there is a rental place right down here in Alcudia Port. Now it's quite sheltered down here, you haven't got the bigger winds that you do find out in the bay, so this is like a perfect place to come and learn. So just one of the things you can do down here on Alcudia Beach is to go parasailing. Or you can go on a horse riding excursion at Rancho Ses Roques, which is great fun for all the family. As is a trip to Mallorca's best value water park, Hydro Park, which is perfect for children of all ages as well as adults. And with Alcudia town nearby, you will also get the chance to experience traditional Majorca. So as you can see by the people quite far out in the water here is super shallow. It just makes the perfect family friendly beach up here in Alcudia. And I can't believe it, I cannot believe it. Look who is walking towards me.
Hello Alex.
Now I can't believe this. It is literally impossible to come here to Alcudia without bumping into Mallorca's original YouTuber Andrew McVeigh from Loving Life Mallorca. Andrew.
Hello Alex, how are you?
Yeah, not too bad, thank you.
Now, bumping into you,
I know.
All the places, all the places.
Now, tell me, I'm making a video about why people should be coming to Alcudia for their summer holiday. So you live up here, tell me what you like most about the resort.
Oh, it's just everything in there. The sea is just beautiful. The sand just goes on forever, and it's just there's beautiful restaurants around here, open all year round. A lot of them.
And would you say it's better than being in Northern Europe right now?
I would have said so, wouldn't you?
Yeah,
I
definitely.
really would have said
yeah,
so,
definitely.
yes.
Okay, so we're going to
Yes.
continue. I'm going to continue my guide now. We're going to head down towards Alcudia Port. Okay, cheers, Andrew.
That's all right. I'll see you around.
See you soon. Bye. So up here in Alcudia, you can see this canal that wraps its way all the way around the resort, and I'm on this little red bridge. And actually during the summer months as well, you can come down here and swim in this canal area. Now you don't get boats coming up here or anything, so it is perfectly safe, but it does just offer an opportunity away from the main beach to have a dip. Now, one of the hands down best places to come and eat up in Alcudia is right from one of these beach restaurants. You can sit here with your toes in the sand while you're having your paella or your tapas, with the most amazing views out on the water. And of course you've got these balnearios as well, these beach bars. A lot of people come down here as the sun starts setting just to have a drink and watch the sun go down. Now there are so many different accommodations that you can stay in up here in Alcudia, from 5-star hotels to private villa rentals. Now the choice of accommodation is enormous, and I really would recommend checking out whereabouts your hotel is in relation to the beach and also to the port and all the other entertainment as well. Now the best thing about the resort is that the TIB buses run a service which runs all the way through the resort, all the way down the port. So if you are not hiring a car, you will not struggle getting around the resort. Now as soon as you get down to the port, you've got more restaurants right here on the beach where you can also dip your toes into the sand while you are eating. But we're going to head on further into the port. And there's a kids playground down here on the beach too, so it's just a perfect place to come down here and eat. So there are loads more restaurants down here in Alcudia Port. You can literally find every type of meal down here. I mean, I've seen curry houses, steak houses, and of course all your traditional Spanish food. Now there are lots of clothes shops down here too, and souvenir shops. And it does have a really nice atmosphere too, because it is pedestrianised in this particular area down here, so you don't get any traffic, and it is just really lovely to come down here and have a walk after you have been out for some food or a few drinks. Now I'm just showing you a selection of shops and restaurants down here in the ports, but it does actually extend much further back through the resort, and there's so much choice down here. So down here in the port, again, another fantastic place to come and book your cruise, and you also have the big catamaran tours as well down here. And here you can see the traditional side of Alcudia. You've got the little Mallorquin fishing boats down this end of the port. And of course, as you come around to the far end of the port, this is actually a great place to come and watch the sunset. Now it's a little bit early to watch a sunset this evening, but you can get the general idea as I look out over the water. So finally, I'm just coming into Alcudia Port here, and it wouldn't be called Alcudia Port if there wasn't a port here, and it's quite large actually. They've got lots of local boats down here, lots of weekend cruisers, and of course all the boat trips as well that you can also buy tickets for too. Now over the summer months they often have various events up here at the port, so keep an eye on those if you're staying down here in the summer. And here you can see views of the beach from right round the side of the port. It's a lot quieter around here too. But I mean, it's just lovely views and just a lovely place to come and walk in the morning or in the evening after dinner. Okay, so thanks very much for joining me on my video today of Alcudia. Now, if you're new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe and come and join my Facebook group, also called Mallorca Under the Sun. Now, if you are looking into booking a holiday over here on the island, on the northeast corner, do check out this video just here. And if not, I will see you on the next video. Goodbye for now.